trading on Forex platforms so I can save enough and earn enough to take my parents, my wife, and my son to Hawaii next year. So first things first, we need to look how much it is for plane ticket. All right, so let's aim for next year for 1 week. All right, so the best flight right here is 7 hours 20 minutes. It's going to be $2,000. Let's just say $2,400. Okay, that's for 3 adults and 1 child round trip. And for hotels, we'll just pick this villa here. Let's look at the prices. Okay, and as far for hotels, it's about 2,500 to 2,800. All right, so our total is going to be 4,900. So basically 5,000. Okay, we stay a week. I'm assuming that we're going to spend maybe 400 a day. So 400 times 7 is 2,800. My goal is to make $8,000 from trading in order to take my parents to go to Maui, all right? I just came back from Honolulu, but I tell you guys the truth, it did not reach my Hawaii expectations. I was hoping for some more tropical, so that's why my goal is to take my parents and us to Maui and go see it. So $8,000 is my goal of trading Forex, and I'll show you guys my plan. All right, so if I can make $8,000 trading Forex prop firms, that's basically having to hit $10,000 in profit in this one account. If you guys are not familiar with FTMO, you have to pass 2 phases. Phase 1, you need to make 10% of your account, and then step 2, you have to make 5%. If you guys are not familiar with this, I can make a video in the future, but you can go to ftmo.com and look at the objectives yourself. Essentially, you're getting a $100,000 account for $500 if you're able to pass the challenge. But the catch is you can only use 10% of the account, so you're really only getting a $10,000 account. So if I do get that $10,000, which I'll show you guys the strategy in a little bit. Once I get the $100,000 account, if I make 10% on it, I'll basically get $10,000, and they're going to take 20% of it, leaving me with $8,000, which is enough for me to pay for the trip. So how do I plan to pass? All right, so my strategy is very simple. If you go into the monthly chart of the S&P 500, you tell me what you're going to be doing long term. Obviously, it's just a buy, right? Because it's always going up. So the question is, when do you do a buy? So my strategy is very simple. Whenever a strong candle closes, a green strong candle closes above the moving averages, at any time, just do it 1-to-1. Your stop loss is going to be below the monthly, and then the take profit is going to be just 1-to-1. So if you risk 10,000 to make another 10,000, you already past the first stage. And if you enter here again, then you would have passed the second stage. And I did some back testing, and the majority of the time it has worked. As of right now, this is my current running trade. As you can see, I entered on this green candle when it closed. My stop loss is below this, and my take profit is the green here. It also almost hit my stop loss, but it came back up. Even if it hits my stop loss and I lose, I'll just buy another challenge and do it again. I just need to be right twice in a row in order to get a live account. You can go back and back test this strategy yourself. Yes, it might take a couple months, but it's very hands-off. All you do is find a strong candle and put a stop loss under it. Take profit is 1-to-1. As you can see, this one again, strong candle closed, stop loss right below it, take profit right here. Even if I lose, I'll just wait for another green candle to close and restart the process. The profit what I love most is that you're risking only $500 and you have a chance to get $10,000 equity once you have passed the platform. Make sure to subscribe so you guys can follow the journey, and hopefully the next time you see me, I'll be closer to my target. If you guys have any questions about strategy or about any prop firm trading, make sure to comment down below and subscribe.